Hi, my name is Shorian. I'm with Sunheat International, and today we will be showing you how to set up your Coolzone Misting fan model CC500. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@sunheat.com. I'm going to just stick this wheel right in here. You're going to press on both sides pretty hard to make sure the wheel doesn't come out. They're pretty easy to put on. As soon as the bottom of the fan is ready, now you're going to get the central part of the fan, and you're going to take this wheel you see off, and you're going to place this centerpiece right here with the bottom. And you're going to take the same cap you twisted off, and you're gonna just seal it right back in. Make sure both sides are tightened. Now this part is ready to go. Alright guys, once you have the centerpiece ready, you're going to get the motor of the fan, and you're going to place it right here, making sure you stick all the cables inside and push them if you need to. Alright, perfect. Now you're gonna make sure this part is facing with the base, and you're going to take this white piece off for now. Have this part ready to go. You are going to take this piece out, just twist it off right here, set it aside for now. I'm going to grab the back of the fan. You see these three little holes right here? You're going to align them with the three pillars that are in the motor. Once that clicks, you're gonna go ahead, get the piece you just took out, just twist it right in to make sure it's tightened and this part doesn't go anywhere. Perfect. Now that you have that ready, you're going to take the blade, which is this plastic piece right here. You're going to slide it right in. And then you're going to take this cap you screwed off earlier, which is this white plastic cap. You're going to tighten that out as well. Make sure you follow the arrows where it says loosen and tighten. And make sure that's pretty tight. Alright, once that's set up, you're going to take the front piece. Make sure this side is at the bottom. You see that there's like a little clip right here. Make sure that is as centered as possible. And then you are going to just click that right in. There we go. Perfect. And now you're going to get the hose right here. This is the simplest part. Just put it on right here. Make sure it goes on right here. And now that part is ready. Alright guys, now that you have your fan ready, you're gonna make sure you open this up. Get the tank out, fill it with filtered water, reverse osmosis, just make sure it's pure water. And this is optional, but if you want the air even colder, you can freeze this in your freezer. Place it right here, close it right up, get this side in here. Now you have your tank ready to go. And also, this is optional, but if you do want mosquito repellent packets, you can purchase them for $1 a piece, and you can insert them right here. Also guys, if you twist this right off, you can add your favorite essential oils. Make sure the air smells really nice. And just place it right back in. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at info@sunheat.com, or you can go to our website and give us a call.